Hey guys, Marcelo here. Welcome back to my channel. If it's not your first time, if it's our first time, welcome. And if you never heard about me, my name is Marcelo, and I've been trading the financial markets since 2010, and specifically in crypto since 2020. And that's what I do for a living by now. And apart from trading, I also do teach students around the world. And I have some private groups since 2017 that I've been teaching, we've been sharing knowledge and trading ideas. And inside those groups, which are about 4,000 members, I've been teaching few of the members in private into my mentorship programs or into the online courses that I created. But now I decided to open up and show to more people how they can effectively start trading in the financial markets. So that's why I call here unlock a new range of trading opportunities. So without further ado, I want to show what we came up here. Let me share my screen. All right. So this is what I call a crypto online group mentorship program. And I will leave the form here for you to fill up. So there are a lot of information here. And basically here, what we want to cover is we're going to have a group member mentorship trading program specifically for cryptocurrency. And the results that I had with my students for the past 2 years allow me to see the results of them and find the ideas and the concepts and the right mindset that a trader must have in order for him to become profitable, especially among other traders who are not properly taking the time to educate themselves. So I want to do something completely different from what you've seen around there, because usually people just offer the course, you come and join, and you do for the course for a couple of months, and then you don't have that follow-up. And I want to do something different. So let's start here. What are you going to do first? For the first 40 new students that sign up under the for the group mentorship program, I will give them a $20 token allocation from a private sale that I'm part of. And the link here, you can click and then it will redirect you to the project. All right, so you can see what is the project all about. And we are expecting in this project a return about 10 to 20 times those $20. So we're expecting up to $400 in return over the next 12 months once the project is launched into the crypto market. Right, so this will help you pay around 50% of your course. So that's the first benefit that I'm throwing to you. On top of that, all new students that enroll into the group mentorship program until September 7th, all right, so we're talking about 5 days from now, I will be running an exclusive NFT award that has a potential to be worth around 3.3 Ether, all right? But I believe it can be even more. That's for the Arena Moon League tournament, and I will leave also the link here, and you can watch the videos and see why this project is very hype right now, and I will explain further how does it work. So here you see that this game they will create a 10,000 unique NFTs. And now, right now, there are about 100,000 people trying to get into the whitelist. So let me show my screen here. So this is the Arena Moon Discord channel here. And you see here, members, 134,000 members, whitelisted 4,800, allow list 25,000, sign up list 105,000. So here, those who are whitelisted, including myself, we are going to be able to mint their NFTs from the Arena Moon League. And if it doesn't sold out during the whitelist round, it will go to the allow list and then the sign up list. But you see here, in total, we have about 130,000 members that are trying to get into the whitelist. And by now, we have about 3 members per minute signing up, trying to get into the whitelist. And the mint is going to happen on September 4th. And now is it's basically very difficult to get into the whitelist. All right, so let's go back here again. With this in mind, I'll be raffling one of those NFTs that I mint for the community. This will be basically to help the traders education, and also for you to feel how is to participate in a project that's not related to crypto trading. All right. And so here with this, I want to bring you a token allocation, all right, as a benefit, plus NFT, one NFT that will be raffling for the all members that sign up until September 7th. So if once you are enrolled into the program uh, until the until September 7th, you'll be in this raffle. So I'll take your name, and then you'll be on September 10th when we start the class. I will announce who is the winner. All right. So this will help you to bring education plus benefits, and while you're learning, you'll be earning as well something for you to like to maybe try to reinvest, or sometimes you can pay for the course, but you don't have enough money to allocate into the crypto, so into your trading account. So this will be a way for you to practice, to learn the education, and then on the background you'll be still learning, earning something on the side. All right. So let's talk about the course now. How does it work? So the course is a 6 weeks duration, and you'll be qualified to trade to take trades like I do. And in this case, I will give you my lifetime support. So you do the course with me. You get also a VIP, a dedicated VIP trading room for crypto. So with lifetime support, and you meet me, other students who have been graduated before. We have about 50 students into the mentorship program, and over 1,500 students who have done either the online course or the free version of the course as well. So this we helped a lot of students with these past 2 years on how to become better traders. So the course will be also live and recorded, and you'll be able to ask questions during the session. We will start the course from the scratch, so it will be 6 weeks, one week, 1 hour per class, and every single class we're going to build a piece of the puzzle of this system. And usually by the week 4, we will finish the system. We have been created the system and the strategy, and every single week the students I will check students performance. So I'll ask maybe 2 or 3 students to show up their to show the screen, show their trading results, and within those 6 weeks traders will be practicing on a demo account. All right, so nobody's going to be trading on a real account. Even experienced traders, I ask them to first practice what they are learning, and then I check their performance, because usually there is a mistake here and there, and experienced traders tend to to make more mistakes than the beginner traders. And why is that? Because beginner traders, they don't have any bad habits, while the experienced traders, sometimes they've been trying for a long time and they're still not able to become profitable. So that's why we combine those experience with ask traders to follow their strategy, and then we try to align the mindset with them, so they will keep with the money management rule intact. They will protect their account as much as possible. All right. And the satisfaction rate here from my students of the online course is about 95%. And the mentorship program, which is I take students individually, and I teach them for 5 weeks. All right, so it's just me and the student. They pay a higher ticket, of course, and this one has 100% satisfaction rate, because I'm there correcting, and they can ask as many questions as possible. I answer them also in private on their WhatsApp or Telegram. So I do a lot of follow-up as well. So now the course content and highlight. Basically, we're going to build and create the system from the scratch. Even if you don't have prior knowledge, it's not required. And the topics, the name of my strategy is the KISS trading method, which means keep it stupid simple. So basically, we're going talk about support and resistance zones, trend lines, consolidations, breakouts, and a little bit more. Plus, we'll build the strategy on top of it. And here, the system will take about 4 weeks to conclude, and the trades will be the course will be about 1 hour a day, once once per week for 6 weeks. Okay, and then in this case, you also learn how to scalp and look for trading opportunities, and you'll be able to trade. The aim here is to make you be able to trade 1 hour a day. If you're going to swing trade, you're going to come to the chart and analyze the market. If you see a trading opportunity, you take it. If not, you just pass on the trade. All right. And then we're going to talk about how to open a crypto wallet, how to make transfers among the blockchains, what is a DEX, what is a SEX, and so on. Then you have the dedicated VIP trading room where you'll meet me and other students for lifetime access. So for that, you don't pay anything extra. Most of the courses out there, you have to renew every month or every year with me, and you'll be with me for lifetime access. All right. Uh, and the intention of this group, this VIP trading room, is to create what I call a mastermind group of traders, then where everyone is encouraged to post their own trading trades and ideas. Because this actually happened to me when I was not having consistency. I was shy to post my trading ideas, my trades, and then when I start actually to share among some friends and colleagues, I start to become better because I have. If I was buying, for instance, I have to be very disciplined and committed to what I was doing. So therefore, my trading strategy start to grow, and my consistency became much better as well. All right, and it actually took me 10 years to master this strategy, right? Which is basically now is easy to follow, easy to obey, and easy to execute. And I've tried that many times. So students with no prior experience can become profitable within 1 to 3 months. That's a fact. I will show you the testimonials a little bit later. All right. And by the end of the course, you have developed the following skills: the ability to identify within few minutes whether you have a trade or not. You have a system that's easy to follow, easy to obey, and easy to execute. You develop the money management rules to keep you on the right track. Because what happens is traders make money for 1 month, 2 months, and then they start leveraging. And sometimes on the third month, they give back everything. So we want to prevent that. And you develop trading psychology, which represents, it's basically 80% of trader success. I would say sometimes even more than that. And I want you to face your trading account like your business, like if you are a business owner. Therefore, you always take care of it, nurture and grow your account over the long term. Because what we want to achieve here is, usually, if you have a streak of losing trades or even winnings, sometimes this will affect you emotionally, especially if you're losing. So we want to minimize that. I won't say that is 100% possible to remove emotions. That's not possible. But we want to make you be indifferent when it comes to trading. If you lose or if you win, that's the same for you. All right. And then number 7, how to effectively trade on FTX, which is the third largest crypto exchange in the world. And I'm an FTX ambassador, so I've been trading on FTX since 2019, and it's one of the best trading platforms that a trader can have, but it needs proper guidance. Otherwise, traders must get sometimes they get confused. So I will be here for you explaining everything how it works to trade on FTX. And then number 8, how to read a chart and know if you have a trade or not in less than 5 minutes. And yes, you are reading right. This technique, as I said, took me 10 years to develop, and I will show the testimonials soon as well. So here, sometimes people ask me, Marcelo, the markets are falling. Isn't a bad time to enter into the market? Well, this depends if you have a proper trading technique. If you do have, then it's a very good time. And because it's a great opportunity now also to learn while the markets are down. Because if you're afraid to buy or sell, at least you start learning to prepare yourself. When we start the bull market, you can start allocating your positions in different assets. And people tend to buy when everything's going up. I remember when BTC was at 64, 65,000, people were buying like crazy. And at that time, the indicator, the system that I created was telling us it's time to start protecting our capital, maybe sell. And then we actually got the sell signal, and then we start selling. And because we want traders to also take advantage of the falling market and still make money. So that's possible to happen. And once you know how to trade, it doesn't really matter how much, whether the markets are going up or down. You can trade on both ways. And last, now let's talk about the pricing. So usually the full individual mentorship that I charge is about $997. And I usually am full because I only take 4 or 5 new students every 6 weeks. So I felt that I cannot help like a lot of people at the same time. Therefore, I came up with this idea of the group mentorship program where I can have more students for a lower price and still provide a great, trading education. That's why I'm adding an extra week. So we are talking about 6 weeks course, because then I'll be able to serve more students and help them. So the group mentorship course will cost only $450, and you get also as a benefit the token, the $20 token allocation for the first 40 students, and all the students that enroll until September 7th, they will get the chance to win one of the NFT Arena Moon, which probably will be worth around $470 or even more after the launch, especially if the tournament gets very popular. And you saw 100,000 people in the whitelist, so this game must be looks like it's going to be a game changer. All right, and there's one more benefit that I'll put for you. If you sign up successfully and refer your friends, every friend who signs up as well, I will return $10 of their payment. So it will be $50 for you. So if you refer, let's say in this case, 9 new students, basically your course will be for free, plus you have the chance to get all the other benefits. And if you break down the course, it will be $70 per class with the other benefits. So that's to bring a lot of value for you. And let's see what's more important here. Okay, usually what we see in the market is, like in my groups, I have 4,000 members in my group with around 87% of students of the members that haven't took actually a proper trading course. And from those members, we have a lot of members that actually are losing money. And why they're losing money while others are winning? That's because they don't have a proper trading strategy. And I say this as like a natural law, because for anything that we do here, you can be like a doctor, engineer, an athlete. We have about 5% that will stand out of the other members. Why? Because we dedicate ourselves and they dedicate it more. They have coaches, they have trainers, they, they, they talk about the mentality. So it's a lot of things that it will comprise for an athlete, for a professional to stand out among its peers. All right, that's and the peak performance here, it's very important. That's why on if you watch a race, for instance, you see that a lot of people will try, like even football players, a lot of them will try, but just a few percentage, and probably in football is even less than that, that will stand out and become like professional athletes and even reach like their national team. All right. Then that this is what I say. This is the same for trading, because it's very hard to learn everything alone. I'll be here now. I have a lot of people that they ask me, why do I need to pay a course if I can learn everything free on YouTube, for instance? Yes, that's true. You can actually learn, but the thing is, you'll be learning not on a synchronized way. You learn something today, you learn something tomorrow, but there's nobody taking your hand, correcting your mistakes, checking your trades, and cheering you up, motivate you, talking about trading psychology and so on. So that what sometimes might take like several years for a trader to become profitable, and a lot of struggles, a lot of money lost in the during the journey. Rather, if you take a professional that will take your hand, show the right steps, within few months or less than a year, you can start to become profitable because you create a bulletproof mindset as well. Now, let's make a deal. Despite I have 100% satisfaction rate on my private mentorship program, what I want to do is I want to give an extra reason for you to be comfortable and take this course. So on top of the benefits, if after 3 months you are not showing me positive trading results, I will return 50% of your payment. So that will be by December 10th. That will be the 3 months refund policy. That's why I'm so confident with this strategy that the the refund rate so far has been none, to be honest, because of the testimonials that I will show here soon. And there's just one thing that I want you to pay attention. If the losing trades are a result of your own decisions, like market showing buying opportunities and but you are selling, or if there's no reason to buy or sell and you still do it, it's not the system fault. It's the trader's skill that's not aligned. So instead of asking for the refund, I will actually first try to talk to this student, see how can I help, and if he shows me that Marcelo, the system is not working, I'm trying to buy and the system keeps failing, I will then return the the 50%. But they need to show me that is the strategy is not then, because if it's then, we can resolve. All right. And what I say here, think the strategy in the course like a pilot with a set of checklists. Before the aircraft takes off, he needs to follow that thoroughly. Otherwise, the chance of a plane crash are extremely high. And for me, that's the same level of commitment I'm looking for in my traders, in my students. Otherwise, the chances of a trader fail are also extremely high. And with the strategy itself, we have about 75% winning ratio. And with 5 years of backtesting in Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and commodities. And with the correct approach and developing the necessary skills, it's very rare for someone to ask for a refund. But I want to give you this in case it happens. All right, so I want you to keep reading here. And for the Arena Moon, I want to cover a little bit more here. So the mint of this NFT is on September 4th. I will raffle this NFT during the live first class session on September 10th. And if you get selected for this one, you won't be entitled for the 3 months refund policy. As the NFT really has the chance to be like a game changer, it can give you a lot of profitability via the tournaments or even the NFT itself that can raise in value. And for the token allocation for the project, I will give after the 3 months policy. The token hasn't been released yet, so I don't know when the token will be released, but I'll give it to you after the 3 months refund policy. And I will show now some testimonials so you can have a look here what my students are saying. And this video here will be with you. And last but not the least, a quote from my dear mentor, Jared Martinez. He says, successful traders will do what unsuccessful traders can't or won't do. So one of the reasons that many traders fail is because they don't take a proper approach. And I want to help you change that. All right. I want to be actually you the on the top 5% that are actually making money. So you see some testimonials here. One of my students, Paulo, back in 2018, he was in a huge loss. All right. And he says here, it's been great indeed. I obviously went away over the top of my experience. For my experience, knowledge and trading skills, but it's such a strong trend that even I could make money. Just with this week, I reached my initial goal of recovering my 2018 investment that went down to an eventual bottom of 80% loss. So I'm now back to square. I think square one he means here. Thanks for getting all started. Marcelo. Testimonial to Mohammed. Um, he says here, getting the training package from Marcelo has been hugely beneficial for me. Let me start by saying that overall, it provided me with the confidence that I was missing before. It allowed me to navigate the market with such more understanding and efficiency. And Marcelo has been a great tutor who took his time to answer all my queries and taught me analytic methods that has been essential in my decision taking of trades. With a simple custom setup on TradingView side, I am now trading with more accuracy and profits that have been more steady ever since. I'm able to differentiate between profitable trades and risky ones. That's very important. His method is extremely helpful and use it now before taking part in any trade with a quick look at the chandeliers and other setups by Marcelo on TradingView. I'm able to have much more success on trades and can attest that the fee paid as was well worth it. Even now, after my sessions finished, Marcelo remains available on the chat group, that's very true. I'm every day there and helping me with queries I might have. It's encouraging to have a trading chat group uh, where we all share our trades and keep each informed of any relevant news or coins. Appreciate the training and support, Marcelo. So what Mohammed is saying here that in the VIP trading room, we are there. We are talking, we are showing new trading ideas. Probably if there is a token that has been launched, we can also talk about it and future projects. All right. This is a Brazilian student, Magno, so that's why you see in Portuguese here. Basically, Magno, Magno has been trading for 10 years, and he came to look for extra guidance. And with his knowledge, he took the strategy and sharpened his own trading skills. And within 2 weeks, he was able to pay for the entire mentorship program. That one, it was amazing. It was mind blowing to see. And next student, Fiora, he's been trading. Fiora was a complete beginner trader, like a month and a half ago, and within 2 weeks, and you know that the trading course takes about 5 weeks to 6 weeks, and within 2 weeks, he was becoming profitable. He turned a $200 account into a $2,000, and he posted here 48 trades, 45 hits, three missed, but one of them I kept open because now I'm getting back in profit. So that's what he said here. Another testimonial here from Jovan from Serbia. Hey Marcelo, thanks for the group once again and for the things you taught us, especially seeing more clear picture and accumulating zones and when to enter and exit. Buying on support is much easier now and deciding when should I place stop loss because of identifying accumulation areas. Anyways, good 5 to 10% I have per month. Look at this, per month. So we start with $1,700 and now I have $2,300. That's amazing. So this one, those testimonials give me a lot of joy because I see that the results of my students are mainly because they are following the strategy and um, and also the trading psychology because sometimes the trader struggles a little bit more because of the bad habits that they have. So here, after the testimonials, there is the form here for you to fill in. So you have your full name, email, and other questions here. All right, so I wanted to answer everything thoroughly here. I will also leave the crypto wallet where I'm accepting crypto payment most of the time. If by any chance you don't have a crypto payment, but you still want to pay, there is an option of PayPal. So I will provide that for you. All right. And the last one here, if you have any friends, then you can recommend here. If you have any questions, let me know as well. So let me stop the sharing here. So guys, that's basically what I'm doing here. I'm providing benefits. I'm providing 6 weeks of trading education. Meanwhile, you'll be earning the tokens allocations once they are released. I will raffling the NFT from Arena Moon, and then you'll be practice actually for the first 6 months on a demo account. So it will be risk-free for you. I want to actually see your performance first before I say, okay, now you're good to go. You can start trading on a real account. You'll be slowly shifting from the demo account to the real account, because you also need to have money, real money, because that's the only way for a trader to test his or her trading psychology. All right. So if you have any questions, please fill up the form. If you have any doubts, and then you send me a message. Otherwise, my if you know me from my previous groups, and you know how successfully the students have been, you can sign up right now, especially with the upcoming projects and everything that we are doing. I want you to be part of it, and let's take advantage of while the market's down. Let's learn as much as you can. You can see the results from the students. If you're not sure yet, you can send me a message. I can help you out as well. I can clear any doubts, and see you there, and sign up, and then we speak soon. Take care. Bye now.